Alright guys, so this is the beginning of the next vlog, which should be 4. Trappy is here. He's going to help me out with this transmission demonstration here. Vicky Mosh.
Them buddies.
Them buddies here. My man 40, I don't know what he's doing. Hold on, let's zoom it. Look at this character. What is this guy up to? Alright, so I just showed you guys the tool review. This is the following video to show you how easy it is to swap out this gear set. This is the transmission for the AK-47, so we can start getting Maddie's car rolling. Yeah, everything is all set out, and just watch how simple it is, man. Keep gunning. Alright, so the first thing Trappy's doing is removing the shifter mechanism. So it's held up by 410s. I like that snap-on hand ratchet, champ.
That's nice right there.
I like that,
quality,
champ.
quality, you know what I mean?
Look at that. That's the first guy that comes out. It's got a little organization is everything here. Then you got the hex key that's holding it up. It's a number 8 hex key. Might have to hold on to that with you for a little bit. Money. So that actually holds in the mechanism, and then you pop that sucker off. That's it. That's the first thing that comes out. New cage on it. Alright, so mech's out. So the next thing he should be doing is removing the cable holders, which is 12 millimeters. These 3 guys right here. Boy, y'all getting a lesson.
Yeah, they going to school.
That sucker comes out next.
Ricky, hold that real quick.
Alright. Next 3 12s that come out is the springs. He loosened them already to try to be cute. Now it looks like I didn't put my trans together correctly. You know? And you got your 3 balls in there. You can either tilt that over and grab it. Help him out there, Vicky.
Okay.
3 balls that come out of there. 3 balls. How many you got?
Got 1.
You got 1. You should have 2 more in there.
Got him.
Alright. Only 3. So everything's accounted for. Beautiful. I'd use the 1/2-inch gun, make your life easy. Just zip it down. So now we're removing the 12s off of the top casing. Snap them right off.
This D-wall wild.
Told you that D-wall is strong. It's just that battery, you gotta hold it. I'm too cheap to buy my battery. So that's all he's doing is removing that, the 12s out of the bell housing, and this baby should come right open. Mint. Everything mint. Where we at? We're already at 3 minutes. You're almost open. You got a few more on the other side. Look at this chief. Look at this chief.
Yeah, 40 got him. 40 with the coaching skills.
I'll be honest with you, we're almost like 80% done with opening this transmission up. So you've got your 14 that holds reverse right here next. You can put it on that sucker right there. It's a 14 millimeter that's holding reverse. Gotta pop that back in. Golden. Don't forget the washer. Leave it on the 14. What a hero.
Yeah.
And then you got a 14 hex key that goes up top. Hold the battery. Yep, right there. That's it. Let me go get you the snap ring plier, which is right here. There goes my boy. All right, so Vic, make his life easier, you are going to grab this guy right here, and when he opens that up in here, the snap ring, you're just gonna pry up. But now we have everything off. Yep. Okay, Golden, let's see how easy it is. Pick up a little bit. Okay, there it is. It cracked already. And now you open up that snap ring a little bit more.
I'm good.
It's open?
The snap ring's open.
All right, so then move that pry bar over to the side that's more closed.
You got it.
Money. That's it. It's open. Golden. All right, so this transmission was recently rebuilt, but the only issue is we're running out of gearing. The car is stuck at 148 miles an hour. But these are PPG dog box gears, all motor final drive, which is like a 4.7. And that's what we're doing now. But you see how simple it was to open the transmission? It's just as simple for a regular Type S or a EP3 transmission. It's the same procedure. There's nothing that changes. So just take your time, do it correctly, and let's swap these gears. So now Trap is removing the reverse holder, which is held up by two 10 millimeters. So he's gonna take that out. You're gonna lift this gear up. Okay, then it came out easier. And that's it. Now the gear set, move your wrench because you're gonna lay the gear set right here. Move that ratchet. So you're gonna pick up this gear set all in one piece and just lay it down right here. Should come right up, nice and easy. Perfect, beautiful. Money. And that's it. Let's get ready to swap these gears out. A few beat up 1 second a little bit right there. See it? Let me get a nice zoom in for you guys. Right there. We'll swap that gear out too. Hope you're enjoying. Alright, so we went ahead and just replaced the third and fourth gear. I didn't want to do it on camera because we were both working on it and no one was here to help, so we had to be real precise. But basically we're just about to, Trappy is about to show you how to basically close it. So we brake clean on one side of the napkin and just make sure that the surface has no oil on it, so that the Honda Bond, which is some of the best silicone you could use, the Honda Bond is actually working and sticking. So yeah, we're about to close this trainee up because we're almost done. It's real simple on a dog box. You don't have to really mess with sync rolls or anything. But yeah, we are getting there. Sup, Sands? That's it. We'll close it up in a second. We'll show you how to silicone it and knock it out. Keep gunning, man. Alright, so just opened up a fresh tube of Honda Bond. And just gonna put a nice thin layer on it. You don't have to glob this on, man. Honda Bond works good. You don't glob it on. Nice thin layer. You won't get no leaks. That's just the right amount right there. So silicone the entire bell housing. And we're good. Honda Bond is some of the best stuff you could use. Yes, sir. Don't glob it on. We're closing this up in a few minutes. So this transition right here should be super smooth. It has to fall into place correctly. Sometimes you have to move the forks inside with like a flathead or something. So Trap will show you exactly how that's done. So just bring that over and line up those 3 forks onto the casing as best as you could. Should be easy. You shouldn't be pressing or pushing or anything. It should just drop right in place once the forks line up on the other end. There it is. It's almost there. And he'll push the actual forks through the passageway through there. And you'll just see the trans drop a little bit once the forks get into place. That's it. It's money.
Sealed.
Sealed. Bolt up the 12s. Open up the clip. And that's it. Once this starts touching here, you see, it's usually freer than this. So once this starts to feel stiff a little bit, pause. That's when you know you have to use the tool. Open that baby up. It's hard to do with one hand. Hold on, Travis. We can just put this. Here, open this up. My hands are way too slippery. Put that on. That's it. You open up that clip. That rubber mallet's weak.
Yeah.
But it's almost in right there. See? Once that clips down and they almost touch each other right here, you know you're in good shape. So we'll finish this up now. Hands in the AK.